These Casioaks just keep getting better. Today we're going to check out these new releases from G-SHOCK. These are the metal covered GBM2100 models. This one right here with the black dial is the GBM2100 1A. And they're also available with a green dial and a light blue, maybe Tiffany blue dial as well. So if you're into watches, you're probably already familiar with the Casio range by now, with so many releases and revisions over the last few years. This release takes the spec'd up metal cased, solar powered Bluetooth model and adds a new textured dial and a new textured silicon band. That's pretty much it. If you're familiar with the range, there's not much else to see, so you can close this video, but don't forget to leave a like before you do. Alright, I'm just kidding. For those who aren't familiar with this range, the Casioaks are fantastic. Featuring an analog handset and a small LCD window, we get the best of both worlds for timekeeping. Its case shape is reminiscent of the famous Audemars Piguet Royal Oak with its octagonal bezel. And with this metal case, it kind of does look like one from afar. A brushed finish on the bezel contrasts with the smooth case. And this updated dial has so much texture. This is it in the sun. Look how it catches the light. If you're looking for a watch that is a little bit flashy, but also still really functional, and you like a little bit of shine on your wrist, well, look at these Casio models. With their solar powered movements and Bluetooth connectivity, these ones are really easy to use and maintain. Dimensions are pretty fair, with a lug to lug of 49.3mm, a width of 44.4 and a thickness of 11.9, so actually fairly thin. On my wrist, which measures about 17 centimeters, it fits quite snug. This new silicon band is nice and sturdy and fairly comfortable as well. These are truly do everything watches. I mean, come on, it's a G-SHOCK. It's practically indestructible. You've got water resistance, it's Bluetooth connectivity, you've got solar powered. These are just probably the perfect digital watch with an analog handset. So if you want to shop the Casio range, click the link in the description. There's a bunch more models at different price points, so any budget can buy one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.